Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to set leverage on Vantage. And you need to know that if you want to set leverage, you need to create an account with leverage. So that means that if you're going from home to accounts and you click right here on open account and you select demo or live account, let's do demo account for example. Select here the recommended MetaTrader 5, do standard, select the currency USD, and then right now you can choose right here the leverage. So if you want to trade with a high leverage, do 500, lower leverage, do 100. So now we click there on leverage, select right here the account balance. And now if we do submit and we do confirm, we just create another demo account with a leverage from 100 to 1. So this is how you can set the leverage for your account. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.